Howdy friends, I'm Miss Meow, and today we're going to be reading a very exciting book. We will be reading Peppa's Pizza Party. I actually have little cards of Peppa Pig. This is Peppa and her brother George. And today's book features my favorite food of all time. It's pizza. I love pizza. I love cheese pizza. This has pepperonis, but I like cheese pizza with mushrooms. Do you like pizza? Okay, so now we're going to read about Peppa's Pizza Party. It's reading time! It is lunchtime at Peppa's house. Can we make pizzas? Peppa asks. George loves pizza. So do Mommy and Daddy Pig. Peppa is excited to start, but first, everyone must wash their hands. They use soap and water to get all clean. When they are done washing, they gather ingredients. To make our pizzas, Daddy Pig says, we need flour. Tomato, chimes in Mommy Pig. Cheese, continues Daddy Pig. And toppings. They have 4 ingredients which go on top of the pizza. Here, like on top of the pizza, they have mushrooms, tomatoes, cheese, olives. They have flour there in the bag. That's to make the dough for the pizza. And then Daddy Pig has canned corn in his hand. He's got some corn he's going to add to his pizza. But wait, there's something missing. George likes pineapple on his pizza, Peppa says. Pineapple, Daddy Pig repeats. On pizza? I think that's against the law. Hee. Peppa laughs. Daddy Pig is being silly. It's not against the law to put pineapple on pizza. Now it's time to make the pizzas. Mommy Pig puts the flour into a bowl. Then she adds water. This mixture will become pizza dough. Tasty. Mommy Pig sprinkles a little flour on the table so that the dough doesn't stick. Then, with their clean hands, Peppa and George knead the dough. Bam, bam, bam. I am big and strong, Peppa says. And George is big and strong too. Next, they make the dough into 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. These will become 4 pizza pies. That's enough for all of them. Mommy Pig rolls the dough balls flat with her rolling pin. Oh, says Peppa, they look like pizzas now. Mommy and Daddy Pig make a sauce with the tomatoes. Then Peppa and George smooth it over the dough. I like making pizza, Peppa says. It's so fun. Now it's time to decorate the pizzas. Can we make happy faces on top? Peppa asks. Of course we can, replies Daddy Pig. I'll use mushrooms to make eyes and olives for the smile. And I'll use onions for eyes and basils for the smile, says Mommy Pig. Peppa uses sweet corn for the smile and little tomatoes for the eyes. George has pineapple for the eyes and cheese for the smile. Mommy Pig puts on her oven mitts. Then she places the pizza in the oven to bake. When the pizzas are done, Peppa, George, Mommy Pig, and Daddy Pig eat in the garden. Their pizzas are very good. These are the best pizzas in the world, says Peppa. Peppa loves pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Well, friends, that concludes the story today. I'm glad you listened in. We saw Peppa and George and Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. They all made pizzas today, each their own style, but they were all very funny with funny faces on them and different ingredients. I hope you like pizza too, because everyone loves pizza. I love pizza. And thank you for reading along with me today, friends. And remember that learning rocks.